So here we are, the new One Auto YouTube studio garage in the build. Hello guys, thanks for joining me today. Where have you been? Where have you been, you might be asking? It's been 3 years since I uploaded a video. 3 years. What's been going on? Let me explain. So, the shop where I was, the lease was up for renewal and the landlord wanted to double the rent. I was making a living, but with doubled rent, I'm not having any of that. So I decided to close the shop, go and get a proper job, which I did. Still in the motor trade, still keeping up with all the latest technology, and even in 3 years, wow, how that has changed. What else has been going on? Bought a house, a lot of land, a lot of back garden, 80 foot up until this garage. Before I built this garage, there was a gravel area where I used to keep the old Focus that used to star in some of the videos we used to do. That was its final resting place. It was an extension to my little shed. I kept all my bits and pieces in there. So that had to go. Saved up some pennies and built this garage, or had this garage built rather. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be more of the home DIY mechanic garage. We were obviously restricted on height, So we'll be jacking axle stands and crawling underneath, but we'll give it a go. Uploads are not going to be as regular as they used to be, so I'll probably be doing friends, family cars, just helping them out, do some videos on them, etc. Maybe get a project. Who knows? Let's see where it takes us, and I hope you stay around and stay with me on this journey. That's all I can ask. I'll be doing some other videos as well. I mean, I've got a lovely apple tree that I've inherited, and the last couple of years I've been making some homebrew cider, so I'll do a video about that. I've got the little shed that was down. You might have seen a little clip of that on the intro. That's going to come down. I'm going to build a veg patch there. So we're just going to do all sorts of things. I mean, if you're interested, let me know in the comments. I'll do all sorts of videos. But you know, I'm going to try and stick to the cars, and yeah, just stay with me. Just stay on this journey, and it will be greatly appreciated. I missed all you guys and all the comments. So let's just do this together. Guys, signing off for now. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.